In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email verification for login in your Quora account. This is a simple but very important security feature that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. By the end of this video, you'll have email verification turned on. So every time someone tries to log in, they'll need access to your email as well. Let's start by heading over to the Quora website. Open your browser and go to the Quora homepage. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual details so you can access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should see your main Quora feed with questions, answers, and content tailored to your interests. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing either your profile picture or an initial if you don't have a photo set. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can access things like your profile, bookmarks, and most importantly for us, your account controls. From that drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Quora account. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see several sections and options related to how your account behaves. On the left-hand side of the settings page, there's a vertical menu with different categories, such as privacy, notifications, and others. In that left-hand column, click on Account. This section contains options specifically related to your login, security, and basic account details. Once you're in the Account section, take a moment to scroll through and locate the option that says Require Email Verification. Next to this text, you'll see a small toggle switch. If email verification is currently turned off, this toggle will appear in the off position. To enable email verification for login, simply click on that toggle. When it turns on, it should change color or move to the opposite side, indicating that the feature is now active. From this point onward, Quora will require email verification whenever a login attempt is made, adding an extra layer of security to your account. That's all you need to do. You've successfully enabled email verification for login in your Quora account, helping keep your information and activity much more secure.